How to convert TikTok Paylater to Gcash. So first things first is of course open up your TikTok application. Once you're here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Locate your profile at the lower right portion of your screen and then just simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here you should be able to see four options, but just go directly into balance. Now, before proceed, make sure before you go into this field, make sure that you are already approved to use the TikTok Pay Later. Once you are eligible to use TikTok Pay Later, your outstanding balance on TikTok Pay Later will automatically show up on estimated balance. To withdraw it using your Gcash, just simply tap on View and then just go into Live Rewards. From here, just simply hit on withdraw and then just choose on e-wallet to Gcash on your payment method. And that's it. That is how you convert TikTok Pay Later to Gcash.